baby, we change.
Hallelujah, like it's about time.
Praise Church is right on point.
It's gonna cut down on Serato phase.
Infinite gratitude for listening to our feedback. Thank y'all.
Serato DJ Pro 4.0 has officially launched, and guess what? It's the exact same thing as the beta. No extra features, no innovation, just a library update. That's it. Serato users, that's all you get. I've seen videos with the title of like, the biggest Serato update ever. And to that, I say stop acting like Serato did something cool. They're promoting this update under the theme of listening to their users. So what you're telling me, Serato, is that users just started asking for library updates. Just recently, there was enough people shaking the tree that Serato finally gave in. Serato, you're bragging about finally listening to your users. People have been asking for these features for years, and you just now implemented them? Nice. Also, this is my cat. My question is, why now? Is it because DJay Pro gets so much love for listening to its user base? Could it be that user feedback is actually useful? It's cool to see Serato finally acknowledging its users, but what's not cool is slapping paint on a turd and calling it revolutionary. Serato DJ Pro 4.0 isn't anything special. Serato didn't release some crazy new feature, they literally gave you the ability to right-click. What really blows my mind is all these DJs swooning over this update.
That is a game changer for me.
The search through the crates.
The ordering of the crates.
You know what would have been cool? Cloud integration with the library. No, Serato users couldn't have that though. All we get is rating songs using emojis. Serato, what made you think that DJs wanted to give a track 5 pepper emojis? Out of all of the things I'm sure users have asked for over the years, that is the one thing that you opted to include? How does that make the program better? What does that even do? DJay and Rekordbox have one library. VirtualDJ has Cloud Library. And Serato now gives you the ability to change the color of your crates. I mean, I am sure that nobody in the Serato forums has asked for any type of adaptive beat grid, and that's probably why Serato just didn't include it in this update. Like anyone's really asking for that. Serato DJ Pro 4.0 isn't all bad. Crate searching is pretty clutch, and I kinda love the fact that I can see what crates have a particular song in them. Pretty nifty stuff. However, it isn't nifty enough for a .0 update. Everything Serato released in this update could have been a 3. Whatever release. Serato has been consistently behind the 8 ball when it comes to releasing new features. They aren't giving users anything new. They're just adopting features that other programs already have. Except they aren't adopting the cool shit like adaptive beat grids or cloud library integration. You can't have any of that cool stuff, but what they'll give you is the ability to see how many tracks are in a crate and how much time those tracks total up to.
Bullshit!
Okay, I'm done harping on this. Serato has officially become the Apple of the DJ software world. No new features, no cool updates, just the same old program that we have all grown to love. So where does that leave us? If you're fine with Serato being the safe and familiar option, then hey, good for you. But don't gaslight the rest of us into thinking this is some big 4.0 moment. Let me know in the comments, are you actually excited about this update, or are you just so stuck in the Serato ecosystem that you can't admit that it's actually mid? As always, if you made it to the end of this video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. If you found anything valuable in the content, please subscribe to the channel. We have a bunch of videos going over the tech that we use as DJs, with a lot more coming down the pipeline. My name is Seth, aka DJ Seth V. This is DJ Tech Tips. Thank you for watching, and we out.